Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Go TV. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my daughter two large cornrow, and I'm going to be sharing with you also the kind of hair cream you will use on your daughter's fresh baby, the way the hair will not pay her. So if you are interested to know all this, just watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. So this is the oil I'll apply on my daughter's hair, which I'll be explaining what this oil does to the hair. But before I start explaining this oil, so I want to first of all talk about how I made this hair. First, I cream the hair and I comb it. After combing it, then I part the hair into two, which I did from the front till the back, just like that. So when I'm done cutting it, then I'll use a packer to pack one side. Then before I start lining this very side, so each side I'm going to be cutting 5 out of each side, which is both sides 10. So guys, I hope you understand the way I'm explaining it now. So first, after parting it like this, I'm going to comb it, then apply China jam and use rubber band to hold it. Just as simple as that. So the way I'm doing it now, this is how I'm going to continue till almost the end. So the front, there's a way I'm going to do it. So guys, I hope you understand the way I'm explaining it. If you don't understand it, just see the way I'm doing it. I believe it will be easier also for you to understand this way. So after I cut the first part, I'll cut the second part. So one thing I always do before I use rubber band to hold it, I will first like twist the hair. So the reason why I'm doing it that way, so that that part will show, you know, because I'm not weaving it, nothing, just part the hair and pack it. So I have to twist it to enable the part to show very well. So like this. So when I twist it this way, the parts, the way I part the hair, it will show. You know now, that is the beauty of the hair. So the front of the hair, which is the last part, I'm going to just weave a little bit, because that's where I want to start the weaving. So this very front now, I'm going to cut tiny parts from the hair. And the reason why I'm cutting this, because you know the tip of the hair is tiny. So I have to cut this place, and this is the only part I'm going to be weaving on both sides. So the same way I do this side, that's the same way I will do the other side. No difference, because it's the same hair. So and the same way I twist it and before I pack it. So this is the reason why I twisted it before I use rubber band to hold it, because of this part, to show, you know, my daughter's hair is fresh per me. So what I do after that, I have to start weaving the hair, which is I will just mount it one after the other. So when I finish this one, I will leave it, I'll mount the other one. When I just take it round once, and the second one I will add the one I've done before, add it to it. So because the reason I'm doing this, because she's a child, I don't want to make her feel pain. So that is why I'm making it this way. But if I'm making it for adults, if as I'm weaving it, I am using extension, adding extension to it, I will just weave it directly. So now we are done weaving it. Like this, how it is. So here is the extension I'm going to be using. It's 2 in 1. So I'm going to make one, use one for one, and use the other one for one, which is these 2 parts is going to be for the 2 hair, because it's baby ones we're going to do. So I just cream it and comb it, and there I'm going to start weaving it, matching the cornrow. And this is how I'm going to just continue. The first part I did, you just take a tiny one. So when I'm adding another one to it, I take a tiny one also, because you know the tip needs to be tiny. Okay, the more I add to it, the more I made it big. So, and after I do this, I'm going to loosen the hair a little later. Okay, so If you are watching till this time, that means you are enjoying this video. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much, guys. So what we do in this channel is all about hair. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate you, and we ask that you guys should keep supporting us, because we're going nowhere without you guys, you know. So thank you. So this is how I'm doing it, and this is how I will continue until I get to where the hair will end. But I'm not going to finish it. So there's a place I will get to. I'm going to stop. So you see how I will use that place to cover the hair later. So first part is finished. This is the second one. So I'm going to repeat the same process with the second one. And when I finish making it, that's when I will loosen the hair a little. You know, you have to make it like loose braid. So this way it will look as if you mat the hair along with you mat the extension along with the natural hair. So now I'm done. You see the way I'm opening it now, so that it will cover the hair that I weaved. So that is why I'm opening it like this. So here is where I stopped, because that is where I will start using the hair like to pin it along with her natural hair. I already thread my needle. See how the needle I'm using is very thick, so I don't need to double it. It's just single. First I'll have to put it in the hair and tie it to the hair before I put the weaved extension to the hair, like to the cornrow. So while I'm putting it, I allow the tip to pass the hair just a little, because if it's not like that, I'll have to like tag the hair very well, and she might end up having pain. You know, kids, any little thing that make them have pain, they don't like it. So I'm going to take one side down. I'm going to sew it from one side, just from this edge. I'll just sew it from there till where I want to stop. Then when I stop there, I will take it back again from the other side. So this way I can be able to, like, I'm not sewing it from the middle. I am putting the thread on the cornrow and tack it to her hair, but it is the side of the hair, because it's the side I want to I'm trying to hold, so that it will cover her natural hair that I have weaved. I hope I'm explaining this, guys. I hope I'm explaining it well. But if I'm not explaining it to your understanding, just see how I'm doing it. You see that I'm not taking the needle into the middle of the extension that I weaved. I'm taking it to the side. I'm using side to cover also the side of the hair. And so, guys, if you're looking for a hair, apart from you treating your daughter hair with natural stuff, if you're looking for what really make that hair soft, guys, I'm telling you, buy this olive hair cream. You will come back and thank me later. If you apply it, just massage it to the hair until it dissolved. before you start combing the hair will be so soft as if you've applied relaxer. That's why you see I didn't apply much shine jam to the hair, but the hair just sleep to the way I love it. Guys, I just decided to not that I'm promoting the product, but I'm just trying to just tell you guys, my subscribers, in case you want to apply something like that on your daughter's hair, you can go for it. Okay, I'm not promoting any products. I'm just trying to also help a mother like me to make their daughter hair with natural and good stuff. So here is where I'm going to stop. So I'm going to take it back that way before I will come back and finish the tip. So I put the needle inside to come out from the other side, and I'm going to repeat the same process the way I did this side. Sew it from the side to side, and yeah, just take it round to the tip, take it back, because I'm still going to take the needle back so that I will weave the thread along with the hair. So just see how it goes, guys. So here I am done. I'm just going to tack the hair there because that is where I will gonna end it. So I'm tacking it now. I've already done that. I cut the thread, so I cut it long, I leave it. So I'm going to lose the last of the hair. I'm going to undo it. Then also the extension that I weaved, I'm going to lose it to the same, to exact the same place. Then I will hold both her natural hair and the extension, and I'm going to hold all of them together. So this is what I'm trying to explain. See, so I'm going to hold that particular place. So I'm just going to hold it, because if I start it from here now, she won't have pain. So that is why I'm just starting from the last part. And yeah, because like I said before, if we were to be adults, I would just start the weaving from the beginning. So I made it this way so everything will blend together. You see, guys, everything follow. So this is how I made the hair. And the tip, what I did to the tip, I just use my hair roller to roll the tip. So that's the coils she said she wants, so I decided to just make it for her. And before I did it, I combed the hair so that if there's any tangle one inside, it will be off. And before I roll it, so the coiling will be so smooth. So the kind of coiling I'm looking for, I'm not going to roll it too close. I'm going to give it space, yeah, because I want the falling coils. So that is why you see I roll it with space, not too close. So that's how I got that coiling. So we are done, guys. This hair is so easy. So this is how it is. I'm going to put it in the hot water, and that is it. We are just done. Very easy to follow. And so look at the coils. Look at how it is, guys. It's so beautiful, coupled with the color and everything just like blend together. So this her hair is natural hair. I've never add hair relaxer to her hair once. I'm just using the right thing for the hair. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.